This Utopia Kitchen non-stick stock pot saucepan set is a great addition to any kitchen. It includes one 1-quart and one 2-quart stock pot saucepan. Both come with lids. The midnight blue color adds a touch of style. These pots are multi-purpose, and you can use them at home or in a restaurant. The Utopia Kitchen non-stick stock pot saucepan makes cooking a breeze. These saucepans have a non-stick coating. This means food will not stick easily. Cleaning them is also very easy. The pots are made with a 3 mm thickness. They have a 2-layer non-stick coating inside. The outside has heat-resistant paint. Each Utopia Kitchen non-stick stock pot saucepan has a Bakelite handle. This handle makes them easy to hold, even when hot. A 4 mm glass lid with a Bakelite knob is also included. The lid helps to keep moisture and heat inside. Whether you are making dinners or cooking seafood, these pots are useful. You can also sauté copyright vegetables or make delicious sauces. The Utopia Kitchen non-stick stock pot saucepan set is versatile. It is suitable for all cooking surfaces, except some induction cooktops for the 1-quart pot. These pots offer good heat conduction for even cooking. They are a legend in terms of value and ease of use. While they don't play vinyl records or come with a card, they will surely become essential lists in your kitchen. Pros: non-stick surface, easy to clean, 2 useful sizes, includes lids, good for sauces, good for pasta, reheating food, Bakelite handles, heat resistant, looks good. Blue cons: non-stick may degrade over time, can scratch with metal utensils, usually not oven safe at high temps, uneven heating possible on some stoves, smaller sizes may not suit all needs, handles might get hot to touch, hand wash recommended, lids might not be tight-fitting, durability of coating varies, could be too lightweight for some features. Heat-resistant paint, Bakelite handles, glass lids included 1-quart capacity 2-quart capacity, aluminum build, easy to clean, multi-purpose use. This Utopia Kitchen set includes 2 non-stick stock pots, 1 quart and 2 quarts in size, both with glass lids and midnight blue, heat-resistant exteriors, made of aluminum. These pots are designed for multi-purpose use in home or restaurant kitchens and feature easy to clean non-stick surfaces and heat-resistant Bakelite handles for safe handling. The different sizes allow for cooking various amounts of food, and the included lids help to keep food warm. This Utopia Kitchen set has 2 blue non-stick pots with lids, 1 quart and 2 quarts in size. They are good for making sauces and pasta, and for reheating food. The pots have handles that resist heat. They look nice, but the non-stick might wear out over time and can scratch if you use metal tools. You should probably wash them by hand. Sometimes the heat might not spread evenly, and the lids might not fit perfectly. Also, the handles could get hot, and the pots might feel too light for some people.